What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1983 5.0 Mustang. We're going to take it down the road, point out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. When we get back, we'll do a walk around video pointing out all the flaws. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. MapleMotors.com has finance options, shipping options, and detailed pictures available for you to check out. All right, guys, it's that time. Let's go for a ride. Check out the interior before we take off here. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Got the 5-speed transmission. Not too bad. It's all red in here. It's nice and clean though. Headliner's a little saggy. Needs some help. T-tops. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts up nice and easy. Show you the miles. Got 8s across the board there. Oil pressure gauge is not moving. Gas gauge, I don't know if I can believe that or not. I think actually we did put some gas in it earlier, so I know we're good on gas. Try our horn. No horn in this one. Blower motor's blowing good. See if we get any AC going. I don't think so. AC's not working. Radio is working. Windshield wipers, they do work. All right, guys, what does this say? The horn? There's your horn. You push in on this button. That's hilarious. Well, horn does work. All right, guys, let's take off. Get ready to take off down the road. Put my seatbelt on here. Throttle feels good on this one. Make sure my hood latch is all the way in. Oh no, we got a nice squeaky clutch pedal for this test drive. Get back, let's spray some lithium grease on it. Clutch does let out high on this. It's going to need a clutch. It's letting out at the tip top. RPM's coming up on the dash. Motor feels nice and strong. It's going into all the gears nice and smooth. Let's hit 5th here. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Looks good. We're going straight down the road. It's not pulling to the left or right. Steering's nice and tight. Our temp gauge is not hooked up. It's going to need a temp gauge. Oil pressure does not move. I mean, the gauge is not moving at all. So I don't trust it either. But the tach and the speedometer are working. I'll ask them about the fuel gauge. You could call and ask. I know we put fuel in it. I'll have to go back and ask them if it's working or not, because it's all the way up on full. That's one squeaky pedal. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on this one. Probably tighten that bolt down there, the pedal's on. Slow down the squeak. pull up in this parking lot. We're gonna drive by the camera, drive over the camera, get some outside shots, and continue this test drive. If you're new to the page, I've got all kinds of my gear below in the description. Everything, links to all of it. Check some of that stuff out if you want to start making some videos. Definitely easy to do, especially if you do it a lot. GoPro 7s are my favorite camera by far. So, all right, let's get these shots. Emergency brake's working as well on this one. Got y'all on the virtual head cam. Gonna take off down the road. Definitely rolling down my window here. Oh, that was this one. There we go. Get my seatbelt on. And our squeaky pedal. Been circling around the parking lot, motor's staying like it should. We don't have a temperature gauge, but I did pop it, just checking everything. It's not overheating. Still staying nice and cool. Biggest annoyance is that squeaky pedal. Coming up on this road up here, it's got a nice speed bump in the middle of it. Kind of listen for rattles. Gives you an idea on suspension, just how the camera's vibrating and bouncing in the picture here. about that. My battery died on my camera. I had to swap batteries real quick. All right, we're gonna head on back to the lot. We're right around the corner. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull up in here. I do appreciate y'all riding with me. Y'all have a good one. Hey guys, I appreciate you riding along with me. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Also got close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. We can ship these cars all over the world. Also hit that subscribe button. I post videos every single day. We're getting ready to do a walk around on this one, wrap it up, go ahead and make the videos for y'all. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. I do appreciate y'all riding. Y'all have a good one. Thanks again, guys.